Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a subscription on Amazon. Here's how to cancel a subscription on Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Amazon account by opening your browser. So open your browser and visit amazon.com and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once logged in, it takes you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Amazon. So right here in this homepage, hover over the account and list at the top right corner of your page where you provided with a drop-down menu with a couple of options in there from accounts, other, keep shopping for, all the way down to sign up. Now from this list, go ahead and click on account, and that's going to open you up to the account window. Now over here you have your orders, login and security, you have Prime, your addresses, your business accounts, and a couple of options. So scroll down until you find membership and subscriptions category here. Now in this membership and subscriptions, go ahead and select your membership and subscription. So you have Kindle Unlimited, Prime Video channels, Music Unlimited, Subscribe and Save. There are a couple of subscriptions here. So go ahead and select your subscription. I'm going to see a list of active subscriptions which are here. So locate the subscription that you want to cancel. Let's say I subscribe to Kindle Unlimited and I click on that. Now it says I do not have a subscription, which is pretty much fine. Now, right there, if you have an active subscription, in the management settings, you'll see an option that says cancel subscription right next to your subscription. Now, click on cancel subscription. Amazon may ask you to confirm the cancellation, so just go ahead and follow the prompt and provide a reason for cancellation if requested. Once you follow the steps, that's it. Amazon will confirm that your subscription has been canceled, and you may receive a confirmation email as well. After completing these steps, your subscription will be successfully canceled. So keep in mind that some subscriptions may continue until the end of the billing cycle. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.